Foxes, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for joining me. Today I am back with my July Stitch Fix unboxing. So I asked for an all dress fix this time. My stylist is named Greer, and I'm excited to see what she sent me. I have been keeping about one item per box, but I'm not opposed to keeping more if I love them. I'm just a little bit picky with my clothing. As you may know, if you follow my channel, I am a clothing and fashion reseller on apps like Poshmark or sites like Etsy. And so I have a lot of clothing already, so it really needs to be special for me to keep it. So what we're gonna do today is I am going to unbox this haul, and as I go, I'm gonna try on all the pieces for you and show you what they look like, how much they cost, and give you my opinion of each piece. If you are interested in Stitch Fix and trying it, I will leave my referral link down below. This video is not sponsored by Stitch Fix, but everyone gets a referral link, and if I inspire you to try the service, I would love if you use my link, and that would mean that you get a discount and I get a discount and everybody is happy. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this box. So again, I asked for an all dress fix, unless she saw a backpack or accessory that she thought that I would really like. And then I was open to receiving that. So it looks like they went back to their white packaging, because this is what it looks like this time. And my little burrito. Ooh, I see some colors and prints, and oh no, it's falling apart. I see some colors and prints and fun stuff, and it's kind of falling everywhere because these are slinky, so let's just get right into it and I will show you what I got. The first piece is by Market and Spruce. I did let her know that I usually don't keep dresses unless they have pockets, but that I wasn't sure if she could see if they had pockets on the Stitch Fix website. I didn't know if they would tell her whether or not a piece had pockets. So this looks like a maxi dress in a very pretty floral color, and I really like the pinks and blues in this piece. I think it's really gorgeous, and she sent me a medium petite in this one. With dresses, I usually request a medium, though I'm normally a large, and a lot of their dresses are stretchy, so I like the option of it being a little smaller, but I can size up if I need to. So for me, I am glad that she sent the petite. I think it's a really nice length. If I wasn't wearing heels, I think it would be right about that perfect, like, ground level. The fabric is just a little too heavy. I can't see wearing this in summer. I'm sweating right now inside of my house just trying this on. And it is actually a faux wrap style, so and that's pretty cute detail. But the wrap, I think, could come over just there. And under the bust here, this line should be a little bit lower and a little bit tighter, and it's not quite the right fit, but I think if I sized up to a large, it would be too big, so I think I'm gonna have to pass on this one. Ooh, I love this. This is a Stitch Fix exclusive, and oh, it's a midi maxi. And it is like a mint seafoamy stripe with a ruffle at the hem. So it has these little ruffled shoulders, and then the back has a little keyhole with a tie, and I can tell that if this fits, I am really gonna love it. This is by Gal Meets Glam collection, and it is a US 10 petite. I am on the shorter side. I am 5'4". A lot of times maxi dresses and midi dresses, if they aren't the petite length, they look kind of weird on me, so I'm really glad that she sent me the petites. So as you can see, I thought this dress was super sweet. I really love it. At $198, I can't do it. But if this dress were under 100, or even at 100, I would definitely keep it. I love the colors of the stripes. I think the vertical stripes are really flattering. I love, of course, that it has pockets on both sides, and it's just got that right amount of flare. Next, we'll reach for this blue. This is by Collective Concepts. This is a large petite. This is more of like a tunic dress. Let's see, it's washing out. Here we go. This is more of like a tunic dress. The sleeves are sheer. It has elastic cuffs. And it has a little belted waist. This is really cute. I am excited to try this on, and I think that this would work for fall as well. So I think it's kind of a transitional piece. And I love that it has gold, let's see if you can see it, gold flecks in there. So this dress is cute, but it's not really my style, and it doesn't have pockets. She thought that it was 3/4 length sleeves, but it is full length sleeves, and they are kind of fun and billowy. And if you were more into that mini style, then I think this would be for you. I could pull it off if I was wearing leggings, like it would be a really good fall dress, but for me, for right now, I'm gonna have to pass on this one. Okay, next, this is a very slinky dress. It's soft. It is by KALEIGH, so I've had dresses by KALEIGH before and I've liked them. This is, it's kind of like a shorter length, maybe just above knee length, and it's just this like sort of dainty floral design with, I think, a cross back. And this one she sent in a size large. So I just noticed that the texture on this dress is like it has paint on it almost, so you can kind of like feel the little flowers, which is really cute. This one, unfortunately, I am also not going to keep. It is comfortable, it's slinky, but I don't like when dresses do this here where they're kind of like blousey, and then you can kind of see in the back, you can see my bra straps because the cross back is not wide enough. I could fix that with a racer back bra, but I don't actually own any racer back bras, and I don't love this dress enough to buy one specifically for keeping this piece. So I think I am gonna have to also send this one back. This beautiful red dress is by Skies Are Blue. It is also a size large, Stitch Fix exclusive. Not seeing any pockets on these. Oh, it's a jumpsuit. So that is exciting. I do love a good jumpsuit. It has a tie belted waist and wide legs. And this is the DANICA jumpsuit, and it has this smocked back. Very cute. And it is fully lined as well. So at $74, this might be my keeper piece. I do not have a red jumpsuit. I do like this one. I like that it is high enough in the front that it doesn't show my bra, but it's not like too high, and I do like that it also doesn't show my bra in the back. I like the smocked back because it means that I can just slide the straps off and go to the restroom. And honestly, the length is just perfect. I do think before I make my ultimate decision, I am going to play around with this piece a little bit more with some things from my closet, like a white jean jacket and maybe some white sneakers, and just kind of see how it looks like in a more casual setting, and if I can convert it over to fall as well. But it is nice quality, and it is fully lined, and it is comfortable to wear. It does not have pockets, but if I can wear like a jean jacket or something with it, then I'll be able to put my phone in my pockets. So I'm gonna see if this can be a keeper piece, because I don't want to keep nothing from this box, but I definitely need to be able to wear the piece that I keep. go ahead and leave me a comment down below and let me know what your favorite piece was. And I am going to go ahead and see what my stylist said. She said, "Hi Brittany, welcome back. I'm so glad when I see your name in my styling queue. You have such a knack for fashion and your comments help me in picking new things for the next delivery. You're right that I don't always have every detail of an item, but I was able to track down the lengths of most of the pieces today. I also must have told her that I don't wear things that are shorter than 36 inches. I'm not like a mini girl. I have to chase my kids around, and so I like to be able to bend over. The one I'm not sure about is the navy dress with the 3/4 sleeves. It might be a bit short. Let me know. The long dress with the floral is a take on some of the looks you have on your inspiration board, and since you had a jumpsuit there, I included one in summery red. It's like the dress's cousin. I can't wait to hear your thoughts, and if you'd like to keep an eye on the shop tab of Stitch Fix, which I have been doing, or your Stitch Fix apps, as summery things like dresses pop up there for direct purchase." These are the style cards that they send you, and it's just got inspiration for all of the different outfits and how to style them. And let's see how much everything was. Oh man. So the one dress that I'm absolutely over the moon for is of course the most expensive one. It's the Gal Meets Glam at $198. I know I'm not going to be able to keep it, which is very sad. My stylist pick subtotal was $476, and the buy all discount was taking off $119. So the order subtotal was $357. Even if I got 25% off of the Gal Meets Glam dress, that would only be $50 off, and it would still be a $150 dress. So no matter how much I love it, I know I'm not going to be able to keep it, which is very sad. But I did appreciate that she really did send something that I would love. That's definitely my style, and I've been pinning things like that to my inspiration board on Stitch Fix, which if you are using Stitch Fix and you're not utilizing your inspiration board, I definitely recommend it. They have some really cute outfits, and you can leave little comments that say things like, "I really like this top, but I would never wear these shoes," or "I love this trench coat because it has XYZ features," and that kind of gives your stylist a little bit more information about styling you. So again, go ahead and leave me a comment and let me know what your favorite item was, and I really appreciate you tuning in. I do get Stitch Fix boxes every month, so please go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you can be notified when I get new boxes. And I also have a Newly subscription that I just started, and that is an Anthropologie and Free People subscription box where you can pick 6 items to borrow for a month. So I just started that last month, and I'll link that video up here. And I'm going to be getting another one very soon, so I hope that you will tune in and watch that as well. And I hope that I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.